Do you ever feel overwhelmed by lecture notes, struggling to keep up with deadlines, and cramming at the last minute? 70% of students say they struggle with effective studying, while 60% rely on last-minute cramming, leading to poor retention. But what if studying could be smarter, not harder? Meet the AI-powered study assistant, your personalized learning companion. No more long hours flipping through pages. Our AI instantly summarizes your lecture notes, highlighting key concepts. Want to test your knowledge? The AI creates customized quizzes to help you retain information better. Stay on track with personalized study plans tailored to your pace and schedule. Instantly condense lengthy lecture notes into bite-sized key points, saving you time. The AI adapts to your learning style and suggests the best way to study efficiently. Engage with interactive quizzes that reinforce learning with instant feedback. Earn rewards and track progress to make studying more engaging and effective. Revolutionize your learning experience today with the AI Study Assistant. Study smarter, learn faster, retain better. Like, share, and follow for updates. Let's change the way we learn together.